Hello everyone! In this project, we are building an IoT plant monitoring system. We will use REKA, a Grove WiFi module, and a soil moisture sensor. Connect the Wi-Fi module to pin 15 and 16 and connect the soil moisture sensor to pin 1. Now, go to Make Code Editor to start coding. Search for ESP module extension that's made by Cytron. Then, initialize the module and connect it to your Wi-Fi. Now upload the data of sensor reading to ThingSpeak platform. Here you will notice that you need an API key, so we should go to ThingSpeak to get that one. Once you log in, create a new channel to store your data. Then, copy the API key from the channel and paste it on your code. Lastly, download the code and check the field chart at ThingSpeak. The drier the soil, the higher the reading value.